Today we're putting on the Range Road RR2557 Grizzly Bar and Pan Kit for the EcoPro series output conveyors. This kit fits the EcoPro300 with the optional RR2506 Output Conveyor, along with the EcoPro300 and EcoPro350 with the RR2503 Output Conveyor. The install is straightforward, so you can get back to work without much hassle. So why run Grizzly Bars on your EcoPro Output Conveyor? Simple. They help separate out loose bark, dirt, wood chips, and small kindling, so cleaner firewood is what ends up in your trailer, bin, or pile. As the material moves across the bars, the smaller debris falls through the gaps. That helps keep your firewood cleaner, which cuts down on the junk you have to deal with later. They also slow the wood down a bit as it leaves the belt, so it drops in a more controlled way and doesn't hit your trailer or storage container as hard. The pan catches the smaller debris and sends it into a pile or bin. All in all, it helps keep your firewood cleaner, makes cleanup easier, and keeps the whole process moving smooth from start to finish. To stay updated with more informative videos about Range Road equipment, don't forget to subscribe. To find your nearest dealer in the USA, visit range-road.com. In Canada, visit range-road.ca.